Okay, how do I overcome fear and anxiety? Well, that's a difficult question, and not one that has a simple answer, that's for sure.
You got that right.
Firstly, I'd encourage people to speak to someone that they love or trust and explain how they feel. Sharing how you feel can be a great way of knowing that you're not alone and that someone is there to help you. Now, is the fear something that's a direct, genuine threat to your safety? If that's the case, then get in contact with the appropriate people to help you. And if the fear and or the anxiety is rooted from some kind of trauma, then I'd encourage you to get help from a properly trained therapist. I just wanted to make sure that we clarified those things first. But after that, my first step would be to understand what's in our direct control. And those things are our thoughts, our actions, and our reactions. If we're fearful or anxious about anything outside of that, then we need to understand that our chances of changing it are extremely limited. Therefore, that needs to be factored into how much time we should spend thinking or worrying about it, in my opinion.
That makes a lot of sense.
The anxiety and fear is quite often caused by a fictional scenario that we play out in our head.
If you believe it to be real, then it's real.
That doesn't sound right.
But what happens if this goes wrong? Or what would we do if that happened? Probably just best to wait and see if it does actually happen before we allow the best part of our day to be consumed by something that is ultimately a work of fiction.
Well, that makes sense.
It takes time and practice to do this, of course, but it can help declutter our mind to give us more capacity to deal with all the other challenges that are thrown at us on a daily basis. So I hope that helps.